Give me a TV. A club. Get a run it down. And they want him born. Big truck in road. Get a run it down. And they want him born. Big truck in road. It didn't turn up. Yes, I'm black. I want me burn up. And 2012 new car. I'm a play. I'm a play. You're a one joking. I just have a best to do good. And you're a going up. We can't do precise. Now we have fucking joke. People mash up the night. Run track 2. Yeah, everyone is a track 2. It's a new track from Jamaica. Contagious instrumental. It's not just the earwaves. It's a mama. It's not the head and them. Hey, so me black. One thing I tell them though, so me black. I want me burn up. And some me think turn up. If I don't grow up without who? Track 2. Touch. Don't grab a touch. Running up. Yes, so you have to go and run up. And I respond. Road. We're going to have a party there called Moulin Rouge. Brixton Road, the Blues Bar, next week Friday. This is not, I'm a boy spun up right now in the wood. So then next week, a crazy song. We don't have artists as well. giveaway, we think of a one. So we just forward and enjoy night. If you want to grab up with who? Facebook, Rapper. YouTube, Rapper. And again, don't check out www.bbmtv1. I make it all them come.
Yo, Ryan, yo, Rapper. Massive, I want to give Rapper a second hand of applause. You don't know mad thing, you don't know. Yo, for real. One time go and touch BBM TV and all the things said. Right now, I'm going to hand you over to the sound of the white dog, but I come rock the vibes, you don't know. Mr. Split, little later on, you don't know. So yeah, come with it, dog, bye.